Ever wondered how do you able to order your favorite food online by Swiggy, book online tickets on Make My Trip, watching movies on Amazon Prime or even more? Then this video is just for you. This is made possible because of internet, you know it already, but understanding the working of it might seems daunting, but actually it's not. I will help you to understand it so that next time you would able to relate what's happening around. When you requests a web page on internet, it reaches to the destination server through the various protocols which ensures secure connection between you and the requested server. These protocols may contain hardwares or softwares. Every device on internet is connected with one another in one way or the other. The most widely used is the star topology. Each device in the network is connected to a center point node called router. This node acts as a gateway between your network and other networks, which are further connected to your internet service provider, commonly known as ISP, via modems. Your ISP has laid down fiber optics cable on land or oceans, which connects your ISP to the internet, which is nothing but a collection of servers providing some services worldwide. You can take Gmail, Facebook or YouTube as an example. But there are billions of users requesting the same service at the same time, so how would the web server know which page is requested by whom? This problem is solved by IP addressing. For example, 172.16.254.1 in IPv4 and 2001 DB801234056781 in IPv6. Each device on internet has an IP address associated with it. This IP address is provided by the DHCP server. This gives an identity to the device or more precisely the network. This IP address may be static or dynamic. MAC addresses, which is made up of 48-bit addressing scheme, can potentially contains over 241 trillion unique addresses given to each device, which has capability to connect with internet. These MAC addresses are given by the device manufacturer, and it remains with it throughout its life, helps to direct the correct information reaches to the client who had requested. Since humans have hard time remembering these IP addresses, thus domain name servers was introduced, which consists of a huge bunch of IP addresses mapped with their names, which can be easily remembered by humans. Now say you requested a YouTube webpage, your browser searches for the IP address of the youtube.com in ARP cache memory of the requesting computer. If it's found in the memory, then browser sends a HTTPS request to the YouTube server. For that it is first sent to the network router in which the device is connected with. Otherwise, browser sends a request to DNS server provided by your ISP for the IP address of YouTube. As the browser gets the IP address, it sends this request to the network router, which adds its IP address into the request header and sends it to the modem, which finally sends it to the ISP, which is connected to internet. This request finally reaches to the YouTube servers located somewhere in the world, gives a response to the device. This response reaches to the client in the reverse order as it is requested, ensuring correct information reaches to the client. Now you know quite a bit about how does the internet works. Thanks.